The Sunrise-Sunset Interactive Calculator determines solar timing data for any location on Earth based on geographic coordinates. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate sunrise time, calculate sunset time, calculate day length, calculate solar noon, calculate civil twilight times, and calculate solar elevation angle. For this demonstration, I'm selecting calculate sunrise time. Next, enter your latitude in degrees. I'm using 40.7128 for New York City. Then input your longitude in degrees. That's -74.0060. Finally, specify your UTC offset in hours, -5 for Eastern Standard Time. Click Calculate Solar Times to generate your results. The calculator returns multiple output fields showing various solar timing parameters. When calculating sunrise time, you'll see the exact time the sun crosses the horizon at your specified location. The results account for atmospheric refraction and the sun's apparent diameter. Additional output fields may display related solar data like azimuth angles or seasonal variations depending on your selected calculation mode. This tool eliminates manual calculations for solar positioning applications. Find the link in the description below.